Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering proof, student email and a school ID or enrollment letter. Once you have those, sign into GitHub and enable two-factor authentication because many offers require it. This secures your account and unlocks tools. Next, open the Student Developer Pack application, attach your documents, and submit. Make sure to choose the correct institution and double-check file clarity. A clean submission speeds approval and gets you access to offers faster. Once approved, explore the catalog and prioritize the offers you actually need, because some require separate activation steps. For each vendor, follow the precise flow. Redeem promo codes, link accounts, or request access through their dashboard. Then configure essential settings, add SSH keys, set default branch protections, and update billing details if a free tier needs verification. If you automate workflows, create tokens with minimal scopes. This ensures the tools integrate securely, and you avoid future permission issues. To finish, verify each claimed offer is active and note any credits or expiration dates so you don't lose value. Make sure API tokens and SSH keys are stored securely and schedule periodic rotation. If something doesn't work, first recheck vendor activation instructions and expiration rules. Many failures stem from mismatched emails or expired promo windows. If you still can't resolve it, resubmit clearer proof or contact GitHub Education support with concise details so they can pinpoint and fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.